Hi guys. Cheers, baby. Ooh. Ah. Cheers. Wow. Guys, today I'm making rainbow cheesecake cups. 5 layers, no oven needed. I've cut the butter and melt it in the microwave. Alright, my butter crust is ready to be layered. Okay, I'll put this in the fridge and I'll make the cream cheese. Actually, I won't need that much. I'll go ahead to whip it before I add my other ingredients to it. I'm adding lemon juice to it now. I've got the condensed milk ready to be added to it. Condensed milk. I will scoop some aside and I'm gonna add blue spirulina to it. I'll go ahead and put it in the fridge for a few minutes while I crush more cookies for the next layer. I'm not adding butter to this next layer.
I put this on the fridge and I'll be back.
Alright guys, I'll be adding blue spirulina to this mixture.
Sugar-free, gluten-free, and nut-free, 0%. For breakfast, lunch, dinner, prevent it into breakfast.
Okay, so this is the fourth layer, the blue spirulina cheesecake mixture. I'll put it in the fridge to set for a few minutes. Now it's back from the fridge. I'll go ahead and add the last layer, which is the white cream cheese mixture.
Looks pretty. Go ahead and put it in the fridge.
Alright guys, it's all set. I put it in the fridge for 4 hours. I did not add any gelatin to it, so let's go ahead and unveil this together.
Really right.
I'll go ahead and top it with Easter egg, just one each, the blue and the pink.
Are you ready? I am ready. I'm ready, 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 ready. Are you ready? Cheers. Guys, look at that. Ooh. Ah. Wow.
Kids will fight over this. I'm not kidding. Oh my god.
Because it's so buttery. I love it.
That's Easter right there.
Tastes like a creamy cheesecake hug.
Yeah, the colors are just for fun. So creamy, guys. You've got to try this. It's so good. I love it.
The crunchy cookie plus creamy sweet plus little tang from lemon.
So good.
That is Easter right there.
Now it's more expensive at other places. So good. Just see.
And look, you taste the blue? No. Tastes same as white, just pretty.
And I have some. You finish your cheesecake. My husband has finished his cheesecake. See, I still have bunch.
So good.
Yeah, it is good. Bigger. That's a chocolate. It's gonna do it, right? Right. Thank you, guys.
I love to share, so I'm gonna share with my zebra.
Oh, his lips.
You like it? My zebra figurine enjoys that.
I can be very playful.
It's so refreshing, so good, guys. Carolina is good, guys. The crust is buttery. And taste the butter in it. So good.
Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to support me. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye for now. Mwah.